Daniel, you're done as well. Moss, you're done, and you're done as well.
What'd I do?
Your mom. Fuckaroo. This is what you're not ready for the big leagues.
You talking to me?
No, I'm talking to Moss. What the fuck would I talk to you, Destin? Bro, you're not scary. You're not him.
Yeah, I'm screwing Destin over.
I'll you then.
They have shit.
Like, fuck a Spider-Man. You got nothing on me.
Dum 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 dum.
Up there.
Nah, city is too short of a map, you know.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
why I said.
And there you go.
What are you
Nah,
doing,
cause
man?
in the city map, if you get out, you're out for the entire race, bro.
Yeah, that's why it's funny.
Yeah, that's the best part.
Chaos, bro. This is great. Fucking hell, if you wanna push me one more fucking time, I'll fucking curb stomp you, you dickhead.
Just don't move
I'm
there.
done, Jamal.
Leave. That'd be funny. Like I'm doing for January.
All day, every day, yeah, more.
I'm just gonna I'm going back as fast as I can. I'm not letting them go.
Gary, no, you idiot!
Go!
It's what you fucking get, you guys, you fucking stupid cunts.
Hey, that's
Fucking hell, you fucking dickhead. I'll fucking.
Fuck him all up, gun. Where are these cunts, bro? Daniel, done.
Oh.
Ah, you fucking.
Oh, it's bloody.
What happened? What the fucking say, bro? What the fuck is there so many 21s?
I said that so well.
Homo sapien. I'm a Homo sapien.
Ah, Aiden!
Listen, you bitch!
This is what happened.
Oh, so fun. Wait, who's this red car? You screwing over.
Cause
Destin,
fucking
come here.
Destin, bro, you knocked me out, bro.
I jumped in my car!
He didn't have a car. You don't have a car.
Fuck is everyone?
His
Thank you,
car's,
bitch!
his car's still driving and it's fucking.
I
He's not
stopped
even
it.
in
I
it.
stopped it in. And I stopped it for you.
Yo!
What?
Yeah. No.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I got rid of the map.
Suck my cock, Destin.
How fucking dare you, Aiden?
Aiden, hey, you know, Aiden, look where you are. Look where you are. Look where you are on the map, Aiden. Look where you are on the map.
Next round, watch your back. Watch your back, big boy. Why the fuck you at the start, Destin?
Oh, I got flipped off the map.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get Taro out, not you.
What do I do?
Look, fucking suck my balls.
Suck my balls.
Oh, it's like that now, it's like that, yeah? It's like that now. Oh shit, one budget me.
Yeah.
La la la.
Like, I'm
What
gonna
is
the
on?
only person that I really want to get out of the race is Dane, because like Dane's a little bitch.
Oh.
Dan's a bitch. Dan's an actual little bitch.
I really want to get this now.
You don't talk shit like that. You'll see,
Dane.
Taro. Just watch.
Alright, so we all.
Oh!
Yes.
Yo, who's that flag over?
Okay, you wanna fucking play like that then? I'm coming for your ass, Taro.
God damn it.
Jeremy, just let me kill Taro. Fuck you. It's not over until I win.
That's D-Rag.
Oh no, don't let him win. Yes!
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh, I didn't win. He didn't win.
Yes, he didn't win. I'm so happy about that.
But I still came before me though. Peasant.
But the peasant is
Why are you calling me a
crazy.
peasant? Calling me a peasant is crazy.
Who the fuck is this guy? Oh my.
Let's try to keep the hitting to a minimal, okay?
Team on everyone else, just smash everyone else. Just cause
Yeah,
chaos.
deadass.
Like, don't
I
hit each
bet.
other, just hit everyone else. Oh, this R&D game guy is gonna get my balls in his mouth in a sec. If he doesn't stop. Don't you fucking dare push me. Oh my days, you're a bitch.
Yes. Wait, the guy pushed me.
Yeah, I actually hope you kill yourself, bro. I genuinely hope you kill yourself. Oh, my eyes, it's so bright.
I felt the map straight away.
Oh my days. Oh my days. I
I fucking really crashed, cunt.
Bro, I got pushed out of the map, bro.
I saw Taro fall.
Bro, it's so slippery, man. Fucking hell.
Yeah, I'm second. Who's first?
I'm
Oh,
coming
trying
back,
to kill
guys. I'll come back.
How's it right now? I'll do
Yes.
it. I'll fucking do it.
Oh. No, Destin. Fuck.
You would let him up.
What? What was that?
Look at this map, bro. It's so
I'm
slippery.
catching.
Fuck out of my Game Boy. Fucking
Yes,
Ah,
bro.
Destin. I'm
What
going
the
back for
hell?
you.
shit. Is that autism? Fuck out.
Ah, I hate you. I hate you, Destin.
Destin! Oh, you freaking losers! I swear. No.
Kill autism.
Destin, move!
Shut up, John.
No, I was.
We meet again, R&D Gaming.
Shut up, Dane.
We meet again. I've been expecting you, R&D Gaming.
What the fuck up, Dane?
Fuck off, funky gaming.
Ah!
All my days.
Jeremy.
No, who is this glitched flame, bro? It's like.
I'm
glitch
so,
demon.
bro. If someone even taps me in the slightest bit, I'm going off the map.
That's correct.
Yo,
I
I
got
can't
into
control my
me.
car. I can't control my car.
Oh shit!
I can't
I
control
saw
my
that.
car.
Hey, Jeremy.
Bro, these kids baiting to me once I'm off the map.
Ah, I get shit on. I'm first. I'm first by so much. You don't understand.
No, come on. There's no parallel.
I hate Jeremy so much, bro.
Hey, like Jeremy's is so stinky.
Yeah.
Wow, you hardcore, bro.
Is that because he's Indian? Is that because he's Indian?
No shit, no shit.
Jeremy, man,
My
what the
bad.
fuck was that?
My bad, I can't control my car.
Damn, piss off, man.
Oh, I'm gonna get derailed. I'm gonna get derailed.
I'm just trying to get straight.
Bro, I've been in first like half of the game, man.
Hope and it takes a spot.
I hope you fucking like murder your. I hope you slit your throat, Destin.
Wallahi, I kill your parents, bro. I swear.
What are you gonna do?
I'm sorry.
This guy overtook me, but he's probably gonna die in a sec. Oh my god, he's
That was
taking
an
the
accident,
red.
bro. That was an accident. That was an
I'm back in first. I'm back in first.
Jeremy, I'm coming back. I'm coming for you, Dave.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
This is gonna be the worst fucking competition I've ever seen in my
Hey,
life.
hey, I'm sacrificing myself to knock Dane out.
Do it.
It's an accident, bro. I fucking accidented that so much.
Alright, Dane, I'll come for you, Dane. Hey, Jeremy, let's team on Dane, yeah? Let's team on Dane.
Why? What's the point, guys? You gotta be the bigger person in life.
Just go bitch ass out.
Violence
Just
is
go
not the
bitch
way,
ass out with a bigger person.
but positivity and integrity is the way to success.
Oh,
Yo, I
shit.
get screwed over.
My bad, it's my bad.
Oh, guys. I
Okay,
think I had
Dane, I'll
enough.
come for you, Dane.
You're gonna end up crashing into each other. Just watch.
That
Hey,
was,
Jeremy. Hey, chill, Jeremy.
what are you doing, man?
Look of
Yes, his
Edward.
ass.
What are you doing,
His
man?
ass. Yeah!
No, you guys are actually like gay as shit.
Let me get my first win, man. Please.
Bro, I hope you have a nightmare tonight. I'm dead serious. No, I absolutely wish the worst nightmare on you guys.
No! Oh, shit. No! I was literally first.
Aiden, I win for you. Aiden, I win for you.
Tyrone, the dude behind me, he's looking very scary.
Taro,
Alright, Aiden,
Taro.
go, Aiden, go now.
He's so scary.
No! Go, Aiden. Go, Aiden, go! Go, Aiden, yes!
Yes!
Who won?
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
This is gonna be so close.
Finish. Finish.
No, take this off! This whole thing! No!
I won it! Who won another round? I screw each other over.
No!
Screw each other over. Yes!
Dane.
We both crash in the end! We both crash in the end!
Yes!
Yeah, I know. And
Bro,
then you guys-
I probably mean either me or Aiden would have won, but we crashed into each other.
Yeah, and I won.
Wait, bro,
What
Jeremy
the fuck
flipped,
doing, man?
bro, Jeremy flipped Dane over so hard, bro.
It wasn't funny. I wasn't laughing.
It is funny.
Listen.
Frick. Hey,
What?
Dave, why you screw me over?
I'm playing like that now.
Yeah, fuck you, Destin.
Yes, we get
No.
Jeremy. I hope you
Yeah,
eat balls.
I'm still in. I'm still in. I'm coming back.
Hey, Moss, chill, Moss. Oh, watch out, watch out.
That's
Maybe
gonna
go to work.
dog, man.
Screw Destin over.
Get man,
Yes,
get Dane.
Destin over. Yes.
Oh shit, Aiden! Bro, I hit this by accident, bro.
Ah, Jeremy!
No. Also, oh, come back. I'll come back. I screwed the other guy over.
Aiden, you missed so bad.
It's alright. No!
Yes!
Everyone team on Dane then.
Why the fuck you guys teaming him? I'm literally only declaring war on Aiden.
Hey, listen.
Aiden, I mean,
Watch out, I'll go.
Yes!
Nah, Jay, you're not funny, you junkie.
That wasn't even me!
No,
That wasn't me!
Aiden. It was Aiden. Oh, man. Everyone's a team on Aiden. Everyone team on Aiden.
Aiden dragged it.
Team on Aiden. Jay, Aiden dragged it. Jay, Aiden, I wasn't even trying to do anything to you. And you dragged it.
Come on, Jack!
yo, get out.
This-
Yes.
Go to the drops.
That's place Aiden. What the hell?
Aiden Blanchard. Oh, that.
Yeah.
Aiden, you think you're fucking funny? I'll smash your head into the gutter.
Fucking do it, Conte. At least I'm in
Go this-
space and he's not.
Yeah. No, you have autism, Destin.
You fuck.
Hey, chill, Moss, chill. Wait, I'm gonna get this guy, I'm gonna get him out.
Nah, I fucking flipped again. I wanna kill myself.
I'm gonna get him out. Hold
Hey,
on, I'm gonna put
Dave,
him.
bro. I saw Dave.
The man.
I'm desk. I'm coming for you, okay?
Wait, that's Austin, bro. You fucking retard, that's Austin. Not autism.
Just say autism.
What the fuck?
Yo, desk,
Ah.
move.
Fuck you.
You bitch. Nah, desk. At least you're all the way there. You're such an idiot. You gave
Destin,
Dave
let's
a-
go. Let's go back, Destin. Both of us are locked out.
Well, let's do this.
Nah, me and Jeremy are coming back. You know what the gang means?
What?
I don't know what I just said.
I'm real gangbanging.
What does the game mean, huh?
I don't know what I just said. If I'm
Bro, they carry a bunch of our lines to it.
I just flipped like
Yo,
three
yes.
people. I just flipped like three people.
No.
Austinism.
Yes! Yes!
Taro, we tied.
Shut the fuck up.
Fuck up, mate. This time, I'm not focusing on any other. I'm focusing on you. Because you gotta sign the contract, big boy. Sign the fucking contract.
That's Indian.
Beta.
But you could be
Beta, huh?
testing you hot dog.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking some other Indian.
Yo, I'm targeting you too. I'm targeting you too. I don't care.
Who you targeting? Who you targeting?
I think everyone.
Destin and Dane.
Oh, but all because I bet you. That means nothing.
No, you didn't.
I'm targeting Dane, bro. I'm targeting Dane. Hey guys,
I'm trying to
everyone,
just get even
What
guys.
the fuck did I do?
guys, everyone
I'm
team with Dane, bro.
What did I do? What's the point of
Push all
this?
of us
Sign
if
a
you want.
contract,
Push all
big
of us
boy.
if you want.
Sign
That
a
was-
contract.
I was pinned up against the wall. I could not do anything. You think I could just magically like get out of that
What did I do
situation?
to you? Aiden, nah, Aiden, bro. What did I fucking do to you?
Yeah, Jeremy.
Bro, what did I fucking do to you, bro?
Shut up.
Sign the contract, big boy. Sign the
So the contract, big boy.
Hey, nah, it's
Contract.
over for you. I'm telling you.
Yeah, mate.
Oh,
Come on, Dane. Come on, Dane. You're done.
Oh, Kenny's here.
Turn the fuck up, Kenny. I don't give a fuck.
Kenny, watch out, Kenny. Watch out.
Destin, bye-bye.
chill.
I'm screwing Kitty over.
Kenny, go, Kenny. Wait, move.
Ah, Aiden!
Oh, Aiden, bro. Aiden, I wasn't doing anything to you.
Oh shit, my bad, Taro.
That's D-Rag.
Wait,
That's
Kenny,
D-Rag.
Kenny, don't attack me. I'll team with you.
What do you have with me, huh?
But attack this fucking faggot.
And like you little racist.
Ah, Aiden, what happened, Aiden, what happened?
Yeah, I screwed Aiden over.
Hey, Mike.
Now, No, no, you're not funny. G, you're not funny.
Kenny, come behind me.
Oh my
Come
god.
behind me. Build a line. Build a line. Build a line. Build a line. Build a line.
Aiden, bro, you screwed.
Nah, Aiden's all the way back.
Yeah, guys, wait for me. Put it in front of me.
What happened? Yeah, kind
Oh, Dane's here. Fuck.
Yeah, fuck.
Oh,
It's alright, guys. I'll kill Joy.
You
Oh,
bitch.
I actually cooked. Don't even lie, I cooked there.
Yeah, look at Jamie.
No,
Kenny, move. Kenny, move.
I
Kenny,
can't.
move.
Oh, thank you.
That's the.
Thank you.
We're actually cooking, Moss.
Yeah, it's actually working,
Kenny,
bro.
move, Kenny.
What the fuck? You introduced that.
oh my god.
Why is it?
That's drag.
Why am I saying W word?
That is drag.
How'd I make that out alive? No!
You could have had your chance to mess him up.
Get out, Dane.
My balls would like to be sucked, Taro.
Yes. Yes, Aiden. Yes, Aiden.
No, I'm actually like out of the race, bro. I swear I am. Look.
Oh, Aiden, get him.
Oh, I
Aiden, get him. Get him, Aiden.
Can't see.
I think Nathan Dixon just played.
Move.
I missed it.
Oh shit.
What are you doing in the game?
I was trying to get Jeremy out.
Jeremy?
Get
No,
Jeremy.
bro, I just came back.
If Aiden wins, I'll actually kill myself.
No,
I'm not gonna make. I don't think I'm gonna make it in time.
It's alright.
So it's not over, Moss. Push me.
Aiden, I'm winning for you, Aiden. I'm winning for you. I'm winning for you and Kenny and Destin.
I hope
Yeah,
you actually
shit,
fucking
yeah.
lose.
Yeah.
This is crazy. This is crazy.
But it's not even playing aggressive, man. The only ways like way you're winning is by playing aggressive. It's not every day.
Aiden, I won for you, Aiden. Aiden, I won for you, bro.
Hey, respectfully.
Why get ultimate on me? What are you
Kenny, I'll stop. I'll fucking stop.
Then who the fuck do you think you are, boy?
Why pushing back? Why going back, man? Go forward. Yes, brother.
I need speed, bro. I need speed.
Yes, Aiden. Yes, Aiden.
Yes, Aiden. Yes, Aiden. Yes, Aiden. Yes, Aiden. Yes, Aiden.
Someone's mad right now. Someone's
Yeah,
mad.
or what if I am mad, okay?
Fucking autism.
Autism.
fucking autism?
Imagine if this game had voice chat. You know how fun that'd be?
Oh my god.
yeah. Move out the fucking way, you dumb bitch.
But I'd get banned so easily playing this, bro.
Yeah, we got banned, yeah.
It's not. I'm coming for you, Aiden.
Jim, I'm sorry, Aiden.
It's alright. It's alright.
Kenny.
What just happened?
Yo!
Yo!
What the hell? Yes! Oh, that's my aim.
Bro, Taro,
You piss me off. No, you're getting targeted. I don't care, bro. Tyrell, you actually pissed me off at this point.
Taro, you're fucking done. Fucking Kenny.
Wait.
Kenny, push him, Kenny. Push him, Kenny.
Move them. Team on Taro.
Jeremy! No! No, Jeremy, move out the way. Good kitten.
What?
Oh my days.
That's a good game. That's well gay.
Fuck
Go
that.
Aiden. Yes, Aiden.
It's only gay if you think it's gay.
I didn't see me up here. I didn't see me. Where is that? Where is that? It's only me. It's only me.
Yo!
Get him, Destin. Yes, Destin. Fuck.
Chunky!
Fucking
Oh
Ellis.
no, Dane, bro.
Whoever literally stops me like a fucking brick wall, I hope you have a nightmare.
Where are you, Jeremy? Oh, there he is. Hey, Jeremy.
I'm making it certain that Dane is not fucking qualified, bro. I'm
What
gonna
do
knock out the race.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna knock out the race.
Double kill goes crazy. Double kill goes crazy.
You kill me, Aiden?
I guarantee you, I will finish this race, even if I'm last or I'm first.
No! Jimmy, you're my up now. I don't care. Well, I don't care. Well, I don't care.
You're my up now.
You push me.
No.
up now.
You push me.
So why stop?
Yeah, stay back there, Jamie. Stay back there.
Dane, I'm coming for you, Dane.
Fuck do you mean you're coming for me? The only thing you're coming for is McDonald's, bro.
That's the right fuck keep pushing him, cunt.
Someone's mad, bro.
Hey, buddy, I'm literally driving like Steely. What the fuck is
Destin.
Steely?
I'm back! Guess who's back?
Yes,
Oh,
push
shit.
him, Destin. Oh. Aiden, go.
Yeah, Jamie, what happened?
No, I'm not.
Guys, I got so many ops on my ass right now in Backstretch battles, bro.
Shit.
I got ops in Backstretch battles, bro.
So don't fucking drop. Oh my fucking days!
Yeah, get the fuck out, Destin. Get the fuck out, Dane.
No! I'm still in the race. I'm still in the race.
You Indian.
Oh, Dane's here.
Nah,
fuck
fuck
out, Dane.
off. Yeah, what was that, little bitch?
I'm not
That's
letting.
it.
I'm not. Yeah.
No! What is... That's it, I swear I'm going for
Where's
him.
Tyrell? I don't even care. Where's Tyrell?
Up your mom's ass.
Oh.
Oh,
Yo.
why you say that shit?
What,
mate?
what happened? What happened, Tyrell?
Wait, what happened?
So fucking hard.
Ah, Dustin.
Hey,
No.
Stay over
Hey.
there.
Someone push Dane!
Stay over there,
Don't push me!
Dustin.
Don't push me! Push me, Dave, please!
Watch out, Watch out! Watch out!
Come on, Steph.
I'll sacrifice my
We
life.
can still power in this, but we can take that Jeremy with us.
How the hell is Dustin?
Hey, Jeremy!
Yes,
He push him!
Dustin,
Did he push
stay there.
him?
Oh, fuck.
Stay over there.
Yes! I beat your
Oh
ass,
my
Tyrell!
God.
I'll bet your ass, Tyrell! Shut up! Zip your lips!
Shut the fuck up, you white bitch!
Zip your lips!
Hey, Dustin, why'd you get... Ah, Dustin, back to
Zip your
life.
lips,
Shut the fuck up,
Tyrell!
you sticky Karamoncho!
What did I do to you, Tyrell, bro? I didn't even touch you.
You smell so much and you fucking made me crash.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
That's a Jeremy.
Brother, you sticky fucking Aladdin, bro. You fucking Aladdin stinky ass bitch.
You better.
I cannot think of a joke less funny, bro.
Fucking hell, but I can't.
Noodle.
Fucking hell, you Karamoncho!
I want to.
Wow. I can't.
Yo, let me get in.
I'm just gonna fuck up everyone, bro. I have no friends, man. Don't trust anyone this world, man. Don't trust anyone. Can't trust no one.
I said-
Fuck!
What?
Fucking stinky. Stinky. Oh. You fucking kids, but look where I am on the map, man.
Where are you?
Don't even see me exactly.
That's not good.
Okay, piss off, man!
It's not me, it's bro, it's Dane.
Fuck it! You're the one pushing. Where's that little bitch ass Tyrell? Oh, he's over there. He's in the wall. He's in the wall.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, that's what you get, Tyrell. You fucking.
Fuck your mum, you faggot. Fuck your mum, you faggot.
Yo.
Knock off Jeremy, knock off Jeremy!
Why you gonna bring my parents into this, bro?
Yeah, I dare you. I dare you, Tyrell.
I saved that.
Can you get from?
Oh, no, I'm kidding.
That's crazy.
Oh, shit.
I saved you, yeah?
Oh.
That's what man, these kids don't
No,
know.
I'm sorry. I mean to do that. But at the same time, thank you.
Indian boy.
Yo, I got a screwed Tyrell.
That was kind of my fault, but oopsies. Yeah, you think you're fucking slick, Aiden? I'll kill you.
Oh shit.
Aiden, that's what you get.
Shut the
I might
fuck up,
have been
Dave.
fun,
Come back.
bro.
I'm actually gonna come to your fucking room and beat the shit out of you, Dave.
Oh.
What?
I was you down locked before.
Yeah, Dave, shut the fuck up, Dave. Your cheeks are thicker than my cheeks, man.
I don't know what he's saying.
Fucking kids, man, I'm actually, no, what the fuck? I'm actually gonna kill myself. I'm in 14th place because these kids don't know how to fucking drive.
Yo.
Oh my god, he's fucking
Ah,
dumb.
Tyrell.
Tyrell's out again. Why are you at the back of the grid, Tyrell? My bad. It's alright. My bad.
You smell like fucking horseshit, bro.
Oh, why you going for me, man? I'm your teammate, you crackhead!
I got pushed by Destin into you. Okay.
I got pushed by Jeremy, so.
Get the fuck out, Jerry, bitch!
Yeah.
What was that, Tyrell? What happened?
I fucking I forgot to press W again.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. He's got flipped,
Sick.
No!
Just get the fuck
Nah,
out,
Tyrell, I actually hate you.
No.
bitch.
I hate you, Tyrell.
Hell
What?
no.
Yeah, I didn't ask you, Tyrell, because you're a
Shut
faggot.
the fuck up. You're a fucking fag. You're a stinky Jew, bro.
I'm not
Oh.
fucking Jew. You're a fucking monk.
Chinese, Indian, what?
Oh, that's a good start. Bro, I'm screwing this guy over. Fuck off, man.
Where's Tyrell?
Huh?
Where's Tyrell?
I left.
Fucking hell. You're scared. You're scared.
Shut your bitch ass up.